Thank you guys for tuning in. We're going to be doing a little unboxing. So here we go. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're gonna be doing like a little unboxing. I got this knitting. If you hear noise in the background, it's my rude kids because they don't listen. I got this knitting machine from Temu. It was on sale, so I gotta see how much I got it for. So yeah. Got this knitting tool now. Let me get my little, hopefully it took pictures. So I got this knitting machine, Magic Loom, more than a toy. It says it's for 8 years plus, but obviously anybody can use it if you know what you're doing, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. So on the back of the box, it has all of this, you know, different things. I guess a little bit of instructions, but it comes with instructions. I already took everything out the box, but I just wanted to show you guys the box. So let me just see. It says easy knitting process. It has a row counter on it. I'm gonna show you guys. This is not a tutorial video. This is just an unboxing, and then the next video that I do, I'll do the setup and I'll make something because it does come with yarn, but I'll show you guys in a minute. So it says you can make gloves, pumpkin knitting, a hat, etc., etc. It has a tension lever on it, and so you can tighten up the yarn. It's tight, moderate, and loose. So that's what it says on the box. I don't know if you guys can see right here. That's what it says. So we're gonna put that down. All right, so it comes with these instructions. Now the instructions are in, I wanna say Chinese. I'm not sure if, because I don't know if anybody else knows. But they do have instructions in English, and they have the QR code to watch the video. So it says for panel knitting and tube knitting, and it shows you how to set up the tension and the different steps. So that's great that it comes in English, because I wouldn't know what to do. So I'm excited about that. I don't remember the price, but I will put the price up on the screen, as well as in the comment section with a link to Temu. And then I'll put the full name, and then you guys can go click the link and get it. So like I said, it comes with yarn. It comes with 4 different yarns: a brown, like a mauve color, a pink, and this like bluish color. I want to say navy, but whatever color you feel like it is, that's what it is for you guys. Oh, I dropped one. So yeah, comes with 4 different yarns. Obviously they're not big yarns, but at least they gave us yarn anyway, you know what I'm saying? I have a lot of yarn, so I will be probably make some blankets or something. I did want to make hats, you know, get them started for winter. I wanted to give them out for free, but we'll see. I also wanted to make a dress. So we'll be doing different projects. That means more content is coming, more videos, and I will be making things for my Etsy shop. So I'll put that link down below too. Right now I don't have a lot on my Etsy shop, but I'm rebranding. So yeah. These are the 4 yarns. It doesn't really say anything on the paper. It just says knitting accessory. So next, These are the pieces, so I'm gonna assume these are the legs, and it comes with screws and everything. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to do some unscrewing. I think it comes with 4 legs and some suction cups, I guess, to keep it firm for when you're turning the thing. It comes with a knitting needle. If you crochet or knit or whatever, you know, you use this to weave in the ends, so that's great. Everything is like in this mauve color, which is really good. So now this is the machine. Ta-da! Let's get a little photo. So this is the machine. Obviously, from the videos I've seen, you turn this and then, you know, the thing goes in there. It said it came with a stitch counter. I mean, a row counter, and this is the row counter. So, I mean, it moved, but whatever. I'm probably not gonna really care about that. Or maybe I'll need it. It also comes with this, but I guess once I start using it, I'll figure out what it is. From the instructions, it looks like I'm gonna have to unscrew something. I don't know what for. I'll figure that out. So yeah, this is pretty big. It's a pretty good big size. It's like almost the size of my ring light. The width, I guess. And it's really big, as you can see, because I got a big head, so. Anywho, it just says Central on this side, and yeah, so I'm excited about that. I didn't think it was gonna come this big, because you never know when you order stuff off of Temu. But I've never really had a problem with Temu, and if I had like a little problem, it was something minor, and I've got my refund right away. I probably didn't even really need a refund, honestly, but I just let them credit my account so I could order more stuff. So I didn't have a big problem with Temu. Anyway, shipping was fast. I think I ordered on like the 20 something and I got it today. Today's like the 26th. So that was great. I think so. I think I ordered on like the 20, something like that. But either way, it just took a couple of days. It shipped through Laser Ship once it, you know, got here or whatever the case may be. It got dropped off. Shipping was excellent. It was very affordable. It was on sale. I think it was Mother's Day sale, 90% off or something like that. They're always having deals, so you guys can shop. That's what I like about Temu. When you're ordering stuff, like, they always have deals, so it's no reason for you to be, you're like, oh, I can't get something, or it's expensive. There's nothing expensive on it, and if it is, I'm pretty sure it's great quality from what people are thinking, so that's why it's a little bit more higher price. But either way, I think this is good for the price that I got it for, and it comes with a lot of stuff. And another thing, I'm happy about this, but either way, I'm probably gonna watch a video, I'm gonna read the instructions, and then I'm gonna set it up. But yeah, so I'll do the setting up, and I'll start, that'll be, you know, another video, and then probably get another video. I'll do a project. So thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think. If you have any questions, all the information will be down in the description box. I promise, because I know people say that you go look for stuff and it's not there, but it will be down in the subscription box. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for tutorials. Stay tuned for this, because I will be trying to make a lot of stuff with this. I'm going to try to make I think my first project, well, not my first project, but maybe like one of my big projects is going to be like a blanket for the couch. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you later.